What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. The 4th of January, we're taking a look at Casper/Tether, a daily chart, Gate.io, tradingview.com. Welcome, guys. What a day yesterday in the cryptocurrency markets. Big swings, big reversals. Bitcoin looking like it might have topped out yesterday. Casper holding up very well and recovered quite well. So that's what we're going to talk about. And we'll touch on Bitcoin at the end of the video. So yesterday we had a very big reversal. Let's zoom into this daily chart. Once again, this is Casper/USDT Gate.io on tradingview.com. Yesterday's candle made a new high, made a new low. It is and closed lower. That was a bearish engulfing candle. Not good to see. But today we are recovering quite well. We have a higher low today. We have a higher high today. And we are up pretty good right now. We're up 5.5%. So I'm really surprised to see that, although it's a great thing, especially for the bulls. And Bitcoin, although not looking as well. So guys, we're still battling this area I've been talking about for the past couple days. 5265. 5265 right here. 0.05265. It has and still is acting as resistance. It came in on play on the 30th, the 31st, the 1st, the 2nd, the 3rd. Which was yesterday. And today, still the 4th, it's still acting as resistance. So if you're watching these videos and you're interested in these videos and what I talk about, pay attention to the levels I share. 5265, it's still acting as resistance. Next level above the market, which we've already talked about the past couple days, 5868, which would be right here, and then above that is 636. Excuse me. So keep your eye on the level. We're looking for a close. We need a close above the 5265 level. So far, it's been today will be the 1, 2, 3. Let's see here, 3, 4, 5. Today will be the 6th day if we do not close above this level. So keep your eye on that, guys. So Bitcoin, real quick, looks like it potentially has topped out for the time being. Big bearish engulfing pattern, made a new high, and then, tumbled. So it looks like it could be a double top there. We'll see. Let me know your thoughts on Casper and the rest of the markets. We're going to jump over to Bitcoin now. There's really not too much to talk about here with Casper. The past couple days, we've really been hitting on Casper quite hard. Positive side, Casper is holding up better than the market right now, at least with today's candle so far. It could close, it could close ugly and way down in the red, and that would change everything, of course. But it's up 5.3% after a pretty nasty down day, and we're making a new high. We have a higher low, and we're in the upper end of this range here, close to the 5265 level. So in a perfect world, we would get a close above 5265, and then we could look for higher prices, which would take us up to the 5868, which is 10 or 11% higher than the current resistance level, 5265. So that's my thoughts. That's the bullish case, guys. The bullish case on Casper. If markets start to turn, we will talk about the same things, the same price levels below the market. So right now, Casper holding up very well. Very nice to see that. Let's take a look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin, nasty day, guys. Very nasty day. We started to rally earlier in the day. I'm pretty sure when I was making a video early in the morning, the markets were higher. We started early. We actually didn't make a new high. So it's not a full bearish engulfing pattern for Bitcoin. Almost made a new high. And then we Undercut some very major lows. Not good to see, guys. Not good to see. We are back below this. Call it a support line, call it a trend line, call it what you will. I just happened to draw it on the chart not too long ago and left it there. And you could see that it's not perfect. We are below that line today. We closed below it yesterday. So markets made a new high and then a day later reversed all of that, undercutting major lows. The trend could be over for the upside for Bitcoin. There is the odds have flipped now, and the odds of the market rallying from here are much, much lower now than they are from going down. Real quick, we talked about this. I believe it was this day. Similar. Let me show you something here. So on the SPX, that was the 20th of December. Let's go over to Bitcoin. And let's see what the date was. That was the 11th of December. Very similar, though. So I call it like the shot over the bow. Doc Severston referred to that a long time ago when I was watching one of his videos. So you have a nice trend higher here in the markets. You know, things are well. Getting a little parabolic here. Traded sideways, and then boom, we get this day right here, the 11th of December. Big red day, down 5.8%, $2,500 on Bitcoin. That is potentially the shot over the bow. Usually in markets, and it did perfectly here, will start to, trend again and recover slightly. New high, and then we get yesterday. Boom, the 3rd of January. So I think there is some trouble, some cracks are showing up here in the Bitcoin chart, and trouble is brewing, and we could be in for some lower prices or at least a pretty decent correction. And that could take us down to that 38,601 level. I've been talking about that for a while. So from where we're currently trading at, which is 42,931, down to the 38,601 level, is about a 10 or so % move lower. Not a big deal, can happen quick, and that might be all it takes here to reset these markets. But it looks like to me, guys, we just saw Bitcoin top out, at least for a period of time here. So that's my thoughts on Casper. That's my thoughts on Bitcoin. Casper holding up much stronger than Bitcoin right now. But if Bitcoin really starts to roll over, Casper more than likely will not last too much longer to the upside. Guys, welcome to the channel. Appreciate it. Go ahead, share the video far and wide. If you're not yet subscribed, go ahead and join us. A lot of viewers are not yet subscribed, 80 to 90%. I forget the exact number. So go ahead. Doesn't cost you anything. And if you want to be notified when we put out videos, turn on the bell notifications. You guys have a good one. Be careful out there. These markets are wild. Very wild. I'll catch you in the next one.